E-motion butterflies. These robotic butterflies not only resemble their real-life relatives, but can mimic their behavior. Thanks to a series of GPS sensors located in the perimeter of flight, and to a series of infrared cameras, the butterflies can orient themselves in space and avoid any obstacle. In the belly of each robot there is an infrared marker. And the E-motion butterflies monitor the movements of their friends and don't crash in the air. The weight of each butterfly is only 32 grams. And the movement is possible thanks to 2 servo motors and a pair of small batteries. The wingspan reaches 20 inches, and watching these animals fly is a complete pleasure. Bionicopter. The German company Festo has presented its most recent creation, a dragonfly robot known as Bionicopter. Mini. This 4-legged robot can move in such a way that its head remains in the same position. The weight of the robot is almost 55 pounds. The module with the head, which is actually a mechanical hand, adds to the weight of the robot another 10 pounds. The developers say that the robot's capable of running on the built-in batteries for about an hour and a half, depending on the type of tasks performed. To orientate the robot uses a series of sensors that scan the world around, cameras that calculate the distance, and a gyroscope. It's worth noting that Spot Mini is a fully electric robot. It doesn't have any kind of hydraulic mechanisms, and all the joints are moved with the help of conductors. Cheetah Robot. The Cheetah Robot has the technology to run like a true cheetah. Among other things, this robot can change the position of its back to increase the length of its steps and speed up. The Cheetah Robot was tested on a treadmill. The power source was a hydraulic pump. Also used were devices that help the robot maintain balance. Currently, the Cheetah Robot is not ready to compete against a real cheetah, which can reach up to 70 miles per hour. However, the engineers hope to achieve that one day to match the real prototype. For now, the robot's capable of traveling at 18 miles per hour. Bionic ants. Another creation of the company Festo, bionic ants the size of a human hand. The objective of this project is the creation of mechanisms with a collective intellect, which will allow them to work in the factories of the future, fulfilling diverse tasks. The ants have been printed using 3D technology and have a plastic body and an electronic interior. 6 mechanical legs joined with porcelain conductors are capable of performing various activities with minimal energy expenditure. In the head of each of the ants there's a stereo camera that allows the insect to define its position and the position of the object with which it must work. Temperature sensors allow the ant to create an image of the world around it, and they can also talk to each other using wireless technology. Aqua penguin. Like a real penguin, aqua penguins have an aerodynamic shape, perfect to save energy. The force of movement of its wings allows them to maneuver independently in narrow areas. Aqua penguins can find their way in a body of water and move independently. With the aid of a 3D sonar that mimics that of the real penguins, they can communicate with the world around them and with other bionic penguins. A completely new feature in the world of robotics is the torso of the penguins, which can move in any direction. With quick and accurate regulation, aqua penguins can swim in groups without crashing, controlling depth, pressure, temperature, and stability. Robot Dragonfly. TechJet Dragonfly has a Wi-Fi module and is equipped with more than 20 sensors. You can control the actions and movements of the robot using your smartphone or your laptop, thanks to an application available on Google Play in the App Store. The user of this robot can enjoy its aerodynamic wings, its patented 4-wing mechanism, its brushless motor, and its polymer lithium battery. TechJet Dragonfly has borrowed from insects not only the shape of its wings, but the size, about 6 inches long. The weight of the robot is 1 ounce and works thanks to a lithium battery of 250 mAh, which guarantees between 8 and 10 minutes of gliding and between 25 and 30 minutes of flight. The robot can carry up to 20 sensors for all kinds of applications. Bionic Kangaroo. The Bionic Kangaroo project until recently had been kept secret, but recently the company Festo has shown the public its robot, which mimics the jumping of a kangaroo, including its most complex mechanism, using the power of one jump to perform the next one. The Bionic Kangaroo uses this principle with the aid of springs that recover the mechanical energy of the landing and release it when making the next jump. The robot is 3.2 feet tall and weighs 15 pounds. In addition, it's capable of jumping 2.6 feet horizontally and 1.3 vertically. Tappy. Place this accessory on the tip of a drinking water tap and turn it into a fun drinking fountain. Tappy has two opposite holes. Press one of them and the water will go upwards, allowing you to drink water directly from the tap without using glasses or your dirty hands. Tappy measures only 2.4 inches in length, and its diameter is perfect to use it on any kind of tap, without it failing all the time or leaking water. The price of this fun accessory is $6. Tread Multi-Tool Bracelet. This device is a steel bracelet designed by the company 17-4. Each of the links has been created with a pressure die method, making the instruments included monolithic and sturdy. The bracelet includes 29 different accessories, including a sharp hook, slot and cross screwdrivers, a hex key, an instrument to remove SIM cards, a bottle opener, a knife to open boxes, and many more. The user can choose between a bracelet of natural steel color or a black one. The price of this invention is $165. Trex Titanium. This is the latest example of wireless headphones with conductive bone technology. They use the patented premium pitch technology that significantly improves the quality of the device. The case of the headphones is made of titanium, and the headphones feature two anti-noise microphones, which eliminate external sounds and increase the quality of the conversation. A full charge of the Trex Titanium is enough for 6 hours of music and telephone conversations. You can buy these great headphones for $130. Luma. The Luma home system is the perfect modular solution to create a Wi-Fi network that covers your entire home. The system consists of 3 routers and a LAN cable. The size of each module is 4.1 by 4.6 by 1.1 inches. The modules communicate with each other with the help of a special protocol and can operate at a distance of 40 feet. Each of the modules has a gigabit LAN port located on the back. It also has a gigabit WAN port and a USB 2 port, which allows you to use the module to charge other devices. The cost of this router system is $399. Lix Pen. This pen is for 3D drawing and has a great design in addition to looking like a usual pen. Like a 3D printer, this device melts and cools colored plastic, allowing you to create 3D solid structures in the air. It has an aluminium body and is capable of working with most modern materials used in 3D printers, ASB and PLA filaments. The pen has a thickness of 0.55 inches and is equipped with light indicators and 2 speed buttons. The price of the item is $135. Dodow. A device created by the company LiveLab works in the same way as a metronome, helping the user to fall asleep without using medication and without side effects. Doudou casts a light blue aura on the ceiling, and the user should simply synchronize his breathing with the changes in the drawing, inhale as the light grows, and exhale as the light shrinks. Doudou gradually decreases the number of inhalations from 11 to 6 per minute, increasing the stimulation of the Barra reflex, helping to recover the balance of the nervous system and relaxing the user. The device costs $52. Blips. The Blips lens set has been created to improve the quality of your photographs. The set has 2 color lenses, each indicating a level of camera zoom. The green color is for the common macro lens. It zooms in about 10 times, matching the possibilities of an amateur microscope. The ideal position is 13mm away from the object. The blue lens is even more powerful. With its help, you can get a magnification of 100 times and even observe cells. The ideal distance from the model is 6.4mm. The lens set is priced at $20. Mint. This oval tracker, no bigger than a coin, has a thickness of only 3.5mm. The device is made of stainless steel and is resistant to all kinds of accidents. The main function of Mint is to search for lost objects. You can charge Mint like a pendant using a special cord. With the help of a 2-sided cushion, you can locate the tracker on the surface of a valuable object. You can also locate Mint in your wallet or stick it to your pet's collar. The tracker has a range of 150 feet. The price of this pendant is $20. Print. The designers of the French startup Print have developed a smartphone case that turns your phone into a Polaroid camera. This invention is based on the diffusive technology of instant photo processing, which allows printing without using inks or cartridges. The case allows you to fit your smartphone and connect it via USB or Lightning. The case printer has a size of 139 by 87 by 33 millimeters and weighs 9 ounces. The device also has an internal battery that allows you to charge it through a USB cable. The basic cartridge comes with 10 sheets of zinc paper. The cost of this device is $150.